we should embrace a digital first approach. Meaning na yung mga technology that's available for us, dapat ini-embrace yun na yan. ChatGPT, yan, narinig yun na yan, di ba? So dapat leverage that tool. Dapat i-use yung tool na yan in terms of messaging and communicating with your client. Kasi for me, pagdating sa chat, I can close the client using chat. Na yung pag binabasa niya yung message ko as if I'm talking to him. If you message your client that way, without thinking, ano bang emotions yung ibibigay ko kay client, when he read this message, nasasayang yung opportunity. Diba? You're giving, parang ang nagiging dating pa kay client is pinipressure mo siya. Diba? Hindi mo iniintindi, baka sakali may problema sa finances si client. Dun sa field ng ChatGPT, type mo lang, refine, make this persuasive. Tapos lagay mo yung message na gusto mong ibigay. So napakalaking tool, napakalaking bagay niya. Especially when we follow up payment, medyo pressure sa'yo, pressure din kay client. Diba? Kasi pera yan eh. So dapat i-maximize mo yan, yung kung paano mo yung follow up si client, paano mo papaintindi sa kanya yung pag-follow up niya. Ang payment is for his own good without pressuring him to pay.